Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable developer mode in ninjaform in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using ninjaform plugin. Now go to dashboard and we are in ninjaform settings and then scroll down. You can find form builder div mode option. So enable this option and scroll down, click on save setting. So we are in ninjaform settings. Now settings saved. Go to form builder again. Now refresh the page, reload. On top you see email and action, so click on it and then you see types and action. So you see setting icon, so click on it and scroll down in advanced section. Again click on it. Now you see our div mode enable in ninjaform plugin in WordPress. So just enable div mode option in setting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.